प्रोफेसर रविंद्र साळुंके, एजुकेशनल काउंसलर.
MCC PG registration and choices filling demo. Instruction for NEET PG counseling. Who conducts the NEET PG counseling? MCC Medical Counseling Committee. Which documents are required for registration? Documents list given in NEET PG brochure. Scan all your necessary documents and keep it ready. How much security deposit required for deemed registration? 2 lakh security deposit required for deemed registration. Increase your online bank transaction limit for 2 lakhs. Contact your home bank branch manager. What type of counseling is it? All India quota counseling. For which course can you register? NEET PG Medical. Which colleges participate in this counseling? All types below. Government medical colleges, 50% all India seats. AFMC Pune 100%, AIMS 100%, JIPMER 179 seats, 70 state quota, 240 total. Banaras Hindu University 100%, Jamia Central University 100% MBS and BDS, ESSEC 50%, AFMC NCC, online, offline at Pune, Delhi University Colleges, LHMC, UCMS, MAMC, MAIDS 50%, VMMC, AVMS, RML, ESEC, Dental 50%, Mahatma Gandhi Sevagram, Maharashtra 50%, deemed universities private 100%. Who can get reservation benefit? Anyone those who have valid reservation documents can get reservation benefits. Do state quota candidates need to register here? No. This registration is only for all India and deemed university seats. How many times do you need to register? Only once, valid for all counseling rounds. Is separate registration needed for deemed universities? No. A single registration covers all deemed PG medical colleges in India. How many college choices can you fill? Unlimited. You can enter as many colleges as you wish. Is the counseling process online or offline? 100% online. No offline admissions. What are the key instructions while filling the form? Use laptop or computer, no mobile. Ensure good internet connection. Keep documents, college list and payment ready. Use the same email and mobile number as in the NEET application form. Do not use a new email or mobile number. Where can I read the complete details? In the official NEET PG brochure on the MCC website, read carefully before applying. MCC NEET PG registration and choice filling website www.mcc.nic.in Part 1. Registration. Step 1. Start registration. Go to PG counseling next. New online registration next. Submit by Agri. Fill in NEET result details carefully. Incorrect details may cause an error. Step 2. Create security pin. Generate a security pin and click Submit. Step 3. Create password. Set a 13-character password containing 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, 1 special character, numbers. Note your password safely for future use. Step 4. Email and OTP verification. Use the same email ID as in your NEET application form. OTP will be sent to that email, cannot be changed. Enter security pin and OTP, then log in with roll number plus password plus OTP. Step 5. Registration status window. Verify all details carefully. Gender and nationality cannot be changed. Minority category can be updated. For AFMC option, select yes or no as preferred. Step 6. Fill MBBS and internship details. Passing status and year. University or college. Select other if not listed. Enrollment number. Internship. Select yes if completed and enter start and end dates. College name, address and PIN code. Step 7. Counseling and fee options. Select your counseling type. All India quota. Rupees 11,000 general, Rupees 5,500. Reserve, deemed university rupees 2,05,000 refundable. If applying only for deemed, tick deemed university only. Step 8. Address details. Fill correspondence and permanent address. Click Save and Next. Step 9. Final confirmation. Review all entered details. Make corrections if necessary. Click Declaration, Save, Final Submit, Registration Part 1. Complete Step 10. Payment of registration fees. Payment available online, only via credit, debit card, net banking. Click Agree Next. Proceed, next choose Gateway. Next complete payment. Registration process completed after payment. Part 2. Choice filling. Step 11. Choice filling. Choose NEET PG medical course. Add preferred colleges. No limit. Keep your top choice at number 1. Save and lock choices when the portal opens. 4 p.m., 11 p.m. on last day. If not locked manually, the system will auto-lock choices. Part 3. Result and reporting. Step 12. After result declaration. Check college allotment. Report to the allotted college with original certificates. 4 sets of attested photocopies. Demand draft for fees. Important notes. Each login requires OTP verification for security. Use laptop, computer only, no mobile. Ensure a stable internet connection. Keep all documents and payment details ready. Use the same email ID and mobile number as in your NEET application form. Follow these steps carefully to complete your MCC NEET PG registration and choice filling successfully.
ज्ञान गुरु काउंसलिंग सेंटर, प्रोफेसर रविंद्र साळुंके, एजुकेशनल काउंसलर. कॉल 9850674719 and 7796346775. Our mail ID is gyanguru.edu@gmail.com. Our main office is in Pune. Our offices are also in Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. Visit our website thegyanguru.com. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and information.